The experience till now has been very good. We have been continuously expanding, and the reason why we've been expanding is obviously we enjoy being here and the experience has been good.
Yeah, no, overall, I can't emphasize enough how much of a partner Godrej has been in our journey here in Mumbai. You know, we came here in 2016, and the strength of partnership and the collaboration to ensure mutual success has just been absolutely fantastic.
As I said earlier, that this campus brought a lot of luck in we prospered in manifold after coming here. And we are here from 20 years. When we talk about the management, as I said, that we are working with a very, very reputed business group like Godrej. It gives a very secure feeling, and you maintain the facility so well. You don't give a chance to complain. It goes everything so seamlessly, so smoothly, and every time something is happening, and it gives a great feeling.
I'd say that it's been a good experience for us, and I'm quite glad for having been here for the last 9 months. Quite glad that we decided to come back to the Godrej Business District for setting up a corporate office where we already had an innovation center working.